One who has won the award in World Vaccine Congress 2023 recently. The right answer is Bharat Biotech. 2. Who has become fastest player to score 6,000 runs in IPL. The right answer is David Varner. 3. Which state assembly has recently passed a bill for the welfare of orphans? The right answer is Himachal Pradesh. 4. In which district of Upsc, world's first Asian king vulture conservation center has been set up recently? The right answer is Maharajganj. 5. Where has PM Modi recently launched the International Big Cats Alliance? The right answer is Karnataka. 6. Who recently won the Orleans Masters 2023 men's singles title? The right answer is Priyanshu Rajawant. 7. Who has recently won the International Prize in Statistics 2023? The right answer is C. R. Rao.